I'd totally be down to eat this whole thing raw. I'm just gonna get to the point. This is a better psyllium bread recipe than the last one I made. I know last time it was like a mess because it wasn't a mess. It was just small, okay? And that's not a mess. It's not like thick, but it was edible. And that's what matters. I made an edit on that, on the comments in that video, and or the description, and I was like, use 2 times this recipe because it's like better. I've been making this bread for like a month. Like me and my sister have been just like cranking these out. They're probably like top 3 snacks of all time. Top 3 healthy snacks. Yes, I know healthy snack is like an oxymoron, but I think that's what an oxymoron. Blue Diamond almond flour. Blue Diamond almond flour is like one of the greatest deals on Amazon right now. Psyllium husk, baking powder. I'm gonna put in our egg whites, eggs,
okay.
coconut oil, which is melted. It's just so simple, guys. And then you just throw in this hot water, watch it freaking explode because it's psyllium husk. It actually like gets bigger the more you stir it because some kind of chemical reaction with the hot water. It's really hard to do this with one hand. Magical. And then I'm just gonna spice things up, add some blueberries, some frozen blueberries to the mix. I feel like since it's the summer, yeah, getting the summer spirit. Yeah, it just looks so good. It's such a great way to spend your Thursday evening at 9:45, I think. Anyway, we're gonna put it in for 45 minutes at 350 and watch it grow and mature into what it will become. Man, there she is. I think I've told you guys before, but psyllium husk just smells glorious. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That looks so legit. Doesn't that look so legit? That looks so legit. That's more of a loaf than last time. I think we all can agree on this. I think this is a game changer. Oh, I hate saying that. Wow. That's so good. Oh my god. I'm telling you, the blueberries are what it needed. I prefer this over the regular psyllium bread, I think. And again, since there's so much coconut oil in it, it gets really crispy. It's one of like the main things that I like about this bread is that it almost is like pre-buttered. But I still like put butter on it anyway, a lot of times. This is our psyllium blueberry bread. Probably the first time it's ever been made on the face of the planet that I can think of. You guys should definitely try to make this. But psyllium husk just smells glorious. You are the worst camera ever. Please stop.